and welcome to week 16 of Babies and Books. So Babies and Books is all about spending time with your little ones, having fun, enjoying yourselves, and really engaging with them, and also sharing books and stories with them too. So we always start these sessions with our hello song and our name song. So let's start that with our waving hands. Hello Caleb, hello Caleb, hello Caleb, it's nice to have you here. Hello Sarah, hello Sarah, hello Sarah, it's nice to have you here. Hello Celine, hello Celine, hello Celine, it's nice to have you here. Hooray! So the theme of today's session is animals. I'm going to be reading you Shiny Touch Animals. It's by Debbie Powell and it's a Book Trust Cymru book. But we're going to do some more singing first. So our songs are animal based as well. There's some repetition in them, so if you don't recognise them straight away, then you'll soon get to know them. Okay, so 3 little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quietly as could be, and snap went the crocodile. Then there were 2 little monkeys swinging from the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quietly as could be, and snap went the crocodile. Then there was one little monkey swinging from the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile as quietly as could be, and snap went the crocodile. Then there were no little monkeys swinging from the tree. Oh no. There we go. So the next one is all about an elephant, and it goes, an elephant walks like this and that. He's terribly tall and he's terribly fat. He has no fingers, he has no toes, but goodness gracious, what a nose. Yay! And the last song that I'm going to do for you now is going to be to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It, but using animals and their sounds, okay? So if you're a lion and you know it, say rah, rah. If you're a lion and you know it, say rah, rah. If you're a lion and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a lion and you know it, say rah, rah. If you're a crocodile and you know it, say snap, snap. If you're a crocodile and you know it, say snap, snap. If you're a crocodile and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a crocodile and you know it, say snap, snap. If you're a monkey and you know it, jump up high, woohoo! If you're a monkey and you know it, jump up high, woohoo! If you're a monkey and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a monkey and you know it, jump up high, woohoo! Yay! I hope you all joined in. I had really good fun then. Well done, everybody. So, as I was saying, our theme this week is animals. Now, animals are all around us everywhere, so it's really important to share and tell your children all about animals, and they can learn to care and appreciate other living things. And also, children who show respect to animals are more likely to be respectful to humans as well. So I'm going to show you the Makaton signs for the animals too. So I say it's Shiny Touch Animals, Debbie Powell, and it's a Books That Cymru book. Okay, so Oh, it's also in Welsh. It's a bilingual book, this one. You may have noticed from the title there too. So next week we will be doing this book in Welsh for you as well. Okay. Rah, rah, roar, said the lion. That's lion. Lion. Snap, snap, said the crocodile. Snap, snap. That's crocodile, crocodile. Tee hee, said the monkey. Monkeys, monkey, monkey. Trumpety trump, said the elephant. 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 Caw, caw, said the parrot. 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 Ah, and the sleepy pandas. Zzz, 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 said the pandas. They're fast asleep. The pandas are fast asleep. So this time for bear is bear. She wants to give your little ones a big hug, and that would be lovely too. Okay, thanks everybody, and we'll see you next week. Bye.